Hey everyone, listen into this video if you're having issues copying and pasting the sales report for Poshmark into the workbook, and you're using only Google Drive, Google Sheets. There's a known issue with a pretty easy solution, so listen on how to get it fixed. So you will go to the Poshmark website, download the sales report, and the file that you'll receive will end with a CSV, and so it's just a different type of file. And when you click, and so you'll want to upload it to Google Drive to be able to use it. So file upload, I've already done that. But when you try to open it, it doesn't really read. So you may want to open with Google Sheets, and that's what's happening in this tab right here, in this other tab. So the next step that you would do is just highlight all the cells, Ctrl Shift down and to the right. And so there's a known issue. And I'll show you how to fix it. So you'll paste in your next available line, and I'll just zoom out just a bit because this is very confusing. But what's happening is, even though I pasted all this data for February, when you go to the summary tab, nothing shows up in the February line. You wait for the bar to load, but no numbers appear. Maybe a number's right here appear, average days to sell and items sold. So the issue that is happening that I've found is that this $ in the order price, ship, and discount net earnings columns, the Google Drive does not understand that that's a number. And there's a pretty easy solution to that. You want to select all those cells that have a $ there. You want to press Ctrl F, which is the find function, and press these 2-3 dots for more options, which will allow you to now find and replace. So just put the $ for dollar and replace with leave it blank. And this should say specific range, and this is these cells that you selected. And just press replace all. Press done. You'll see that now it's changed just for those cells you highlighted. You would go back into your summary tab, and now the numbers are magically there. So let's check. So gross sales is $40. I deleted a lot of them before I ran this report for you guys, but so gross sales should be just February. So yeah, here's the $40 and the $30.50. Maybe I should have kept more of my February sales in it, but yeah, it now shows up, and you shouldn't have issues once you do that. So just select all those cells, Control Find, and replace. Let me know if you are still having issues and maybe there's something else going on, but hopefully that fixes it. So thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you ever have any issues or problems. I'm here to help you out. Thanks.